Namaskar. Namaskar. Long time connecting back to all of you. I'm sure it must have been fun going through the exams on Python, various exams within the Python, because if you want to learn offensive Python, Python is a prerequisite for your success. Very few people could make it final. Hardly 700-800 people are there, those who are in the final list of exams. What we'll do, we'll create a separate group for them, and we'll go for an offensive Python based on that. Meanwhile, we have got another very important announcement. And a networking course has already been given to you in the form of YouTube video and some contents of the videos details. There were 5 videos, and I requested all of you to go a little more on that, because networking is one of the prerequisites for offensive Python. So get yourself, completely brushed up with the networking videos. It's there. Search through the, my Cyber Vidyapeeth Foundation Telegram channel. You will find every content there. And then I request you to go through those videos again before attempting for an exam on networking, which is already rolled out today. If you are very confident that you are absolutely amazing on networking, you don't have to really worry about that. You can straight away go and write your exams. But just mind it, if any one of you get less than 60%, you will not be eligible for the class. In all probability, it will start tomorrow evening, and the worst case day after tomorrow evening, depending upon how you all perform. This is totally an elimination round. If you can't make it anything less than 60%, you are not eligible for the next round of the journey. So before attempting, if you want to refresh yourself, go to the video, go through it again and again before you attempt the exam. Exam will prefer to get it sorted out, before, nothing before, nothing after anything late night tonight. Okay. Tomorrow morning it will be off, and after that you will not be eligible for write the exam. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.